So we read a book called Clam Bake.
And the book was about Stephen was preparing for an Wampanoag, which is the Wampanoag name for a clam bake.
And then so kind of we made these feathers, like a little eagle feather, because of like Stephen is the name of the character, and he got an eagle feather because he prepared a clam bake. And we did a bunch of work on soups and like compared Manhattan and New England and Rhode Island clam chowders. And we had groups who could like choose what to, and me and Oliver were actually a group, and we decided to do Manhattan and New England. We were the only people who didn't do Rhode Island. And so now we're having a soup party with all these different types of soup to celebrate our work.
Yeah. Every parent is bringing 10 soups, and we get to try 5. And then the one we like the most, we get to eat for lunch. Yeah. Each parent is bringing one soup.
So we have 2 types of clam chowder, Rhode Island and New England. And then we have red lentil soup, chicken noodle soup.
Yes. Which my mom
tomato
is making.
Soup. Yes. My mom is bringing the New England chowder.
There's gonna be Rhode Island clam chowder.
My mom is
chicken
bringing
enchilada soup too.
No, she was we all chose different soup. There was a list, and we were allowed to check off 5.
Jillian, have you tried the tomato yet?
This must be the chicken enchilada. I got it.
I think these are the 2 clam chowders.
Wait, which ones is it?
I think these 2 are. They're very fishy tasting.
Which one?